When it comes to everyday carry, most people think you need to spend hundreds of dollars to get gear that's reliable and useful. But that's not true. The real magic of EDC is finding tools that make your daily life easier without emptying your wallet. In this video, we're diving into 21 of the best budget-friendly EDC essentials under $50. And if you see something you like, I've left all the links to every gadget down below in the description. Let's get into it. Number 1. Casio AE1200 World Timer. The Casio AE1200 is a digital watch that feels like a miniature computer strapped to your wrist. With its retro-inspired design, it offers multiple world time zones, alarms, a stopwatch, and even a backlight for night use. But what makes it special is the blend of functionality and nostalgia. It's the kind of watch that looks simple at first glance, but once you explore its features, you realize it's a toolkit for the wrist. Number 2. Ilford Sprite 35-2 Camera. The Ilford Sprite 35-2 is a deliberate throwback to the golden age of photography. In an era dominated by pixels and screens, this camera strips everything back to the basics: a fixed wide-angle lens, a straightforward mechanism, and the tactile feel of film loading. It's not about perfection. It's about capturing moments in a way that feels raw and authentic. The Sprite isn't just a camera, it's an experience. Number 3. Inu Pocket Rocket P50. This is the Inu Pocket Rocket P50, the literal definition of compact power. In a body smaller than many wallets, it hides a 10,000 milliamp-hour cell and delivers up to 45-watt fast charging through dual USB-C and one USB-A port, redefining what's possible in such a tiny package. Its design is remarkably intelligent, about 3.3 inches by 2.1 inches, yet powerful enough to charge not just phones, but even a laptop in short bursts. Number 4. Apple AirTag. The Apple AirTag turns the fear of losing your essentials into a problem of the past. Small enough to vanish inside a wallet or clip onto keys, it harnesses the power of Apple's global network to track your belongings almost anywhere. The design is simple, just a polished disc with no screen or fuss, but the intelligence behind it is remarkable. Secure, discreet, and incredibly effective, the AirTag feels like invisible insurance for your most important items. Number 5. Fisher Space Pen. The Fisher Space Pen is engineering disguised as stationery. Its compact bullet form factor means it fits neatly into your pocket, but when opened, it extends into a full-sized pen designed for serious writing. The secret is in its pressurized ink cartridge, which allows it to write smoothly in places most pens fail: upside down, underwater, and even in extreme temperatures. Originally created for astronauts, it has since become a symbol of reliability and endurance. Number 6. SOG PowerPint Multi-Tool. The SOG PowerPint is what happens when you compress practicality into a pocket-sized form. It unfolds to reveal an arsenal of tools: pliers, blades, scissors, drivers, and more, all neatly fitted into a compact frame. Despite its size, it feels sturdy in hand, with SOG's engineering ensuring you get genuine leverage and precision. What sets it apart is its versatility. It's ready for quick fixes, detailed tasks, or unexpected challenges. Number 7. Zippo 1941 Replica Lighter. This is not just a lighter, it's a piece of history you can carry in your pocket. Its brass case and signature click when opened are instantly recognizable, and its windproof flame is as reliable as it was decades ago. This isn't disposable plastic. It's built to last, refillable, and designed to be repaired, not replaced. Beyond lighting a flame, it embodies a sense of heritage, ritual, and reliability. Number 8. Nitecore Teeny 2. The Nitecore Teeny 2 is what happens when cutting-edge technology meets something the size of a keychain. Despite its tiny footprint, it produces an astonishing beam of light that makes most pocket flashlights look underwhelming. It features dual LEDs, a digital OLED screen, and intuitive controls, all in a body smaller than your thumb. With USB-C charging built in, it's always ready for action. Number 9. Orbit Key Organizer. The Orbit Key Organizer transforms one of the most annoying everyday items into something sleek and efficient. Instead of jingling, stabbing, or scratching, your keys fold neatly into a silent stack that flips out when needed. The build combines premium materials with a smart design that instantly elevates your daily routine. It keeps your pockets clean, your devices scratch-free, and your keys always accessible. Number 10. Pioneer Ion Wallet. The Pioneer Ion Wallet takes minimalism and injects it with futuristic toughness. Crafted from an advanced textile that feels almost indestructible, it's water-resistant, impossibly slim, and made to last a lifetime. This isn't about cramming everything into your pocket. It's about carrying only the essentials, but carrying them better. The wallet molds to your cards over time, keeping everything tight, secure, and organized without bulking up. Number 11. Civivi Elementum. The Civivi Elementum has become almost legendary in the knife community for one reason: balance. It's sleek, simple, and ergonomic, yet built with precision that makes it feel like a premium blade. The D2 steel holds its edge well, the ball-bearing pivot makes the opening action buttery smooth, and the G10 handle offers grip without bulk. What makes the Elementum special is how it disappears in your pocket, then surprises you with performance when you need it. Number 12. Victorinox Classic SD. The Victorinox Classic SD may be tiny, but it's a masterclass in utility. Less than 3 inches long, it attaches to your keychain without effort, yet hides a small knife, scissors, a nail file with screwdriver tip, tweezers, and a toothpick. It's the tool you forget about until the exact moment it saves your day. Opening packages, fixing a loose screw, or trimming something on the fly. Number 13. Gerber Dime. The Gerber Dime is an entire toolkit condensed into a form factor barely larger than a key. It unfolds to reveal pliers, blades, scissors, drivers, and even a package opener, all designed to handle the little tasks that crop up daily. Compact, spring-loaded, and ready at a moment's notice, it's the multi-tool you'll actually carry because it never feels like a burden. While it won't replace full-sized gear, the Dime excels by always being there. Number 14. Streamlight MicroStream. The Streamlight MicroStream is built on one simple idea: a flashlight should just work. Compact enough to vanish in a pocket, it delivers a clean, consistent beam with the press of a single button. The dual-way clip means it doubles as a headlamp when attached to a cap, adding versatility without overcomplicating the design. Rugged aluminum construction, water resistance, and a straightforward interface make it one of those tools you trust immediately. Number 15. Field Notes. Notebooks. Field Notes notebooks are a love letter to analog simplicity. At just the right pocket size, they're always there when inspiration strikes, whether you're jotting a quick idea, sketching, or planning your next move. Each 48-page book feels unassuming at first, but it becomes something personal the moment you write in it. The design is minimal, durable, and timeless, with covers that age beautifully over time. Number 16. Gerber Shard. The Gerber Shard embodies the idea that simplicity is powerful. It's just a small piece of shaped steel, but within it lies a pry bar, bottle opener, screwdrivers, and more. No moving parts, no batteries, nothing to fail. Just a rugged little tool ready to handle everyday annoyances. It's so light you'll forget it's on your keychain, yet when you need to twist, pry, or open something, it's invaluable. Number 17. Knipex Cobra XS. The Knipex Cobra XS redefines what pliers can be in an everyday carry setup. Just 5 inches long, these compact jaws grip with astonishing power thanks to Knipex's self-locking mechanism. Once clamped, they won't slip, no matter the surface. Despite their tiny size, they handle bolts, pipes, and odd jobs far larger than they look capable of. Precision crafted in Germany, they embody that perfect blend of compact engineering and brute strength. Number 18. Milwaukee Fastback Knife. The Milwaukee Fastback takes a humble utility knife and refines it into something seriously satisfying to use. With its one-handed flip mechanism, it opens as quickly as a modern pocket knife, locking into place with confidence. Standard replaceable blades ensure it's always razor sharp, perfect for tearing through boxes, rope, or heavy-duty materials. Some versions even integrate extra tools like screwdrivers or wire strippers, extending its usefulness beyond cutting. Number 19. VanQuest Slim Pouch. The VanQuest pouch is an everyday carry, organized. Its rugged nylon shell and durable zippers hide an interior designed for order. Elastic loops, compartments, and a tether system that keeps every tool, pen, and cable exactly where you want it. It's slim enough to slip into a backpack or clip onto gear, yet it manages to swallow an entire EDC loadout with room to spare. Number 20. JBL Vibe Buds. The JBL Vibe Buds bring everyday carry into the audio space. Compact and truly wireless, they deliver punchy sound and secure comfort for calls, music, or workouts. Dust and water resistance make them resilient enough for life on the move, while the companion app gives you control over EQ to shape the sound to your preference. They slip seamlessly into your pocket, ready to power commutes, runs, or downtime. Number 21. Opinel number 8. The Opinel number 8 is timeless simplicity perfected. For over a century, this folding knife has kept the same formula. A sharp, reliable blade, a smooth wooden handle, and a twist-lock collar for safety. Lightweight and elegant, it excels at food prep, whittling, or general cutting tasks without over-engineering. Its design feels almost humble, yet it has stood the test of generations because it just works. And there you have it, 21 of the best budget EDC essentials under $50. Each of these items proves you don't need to spend big money to carry gear that's practical and durable. I'd love to hear from you. Which of these essentials would you actually add to your carry? Drop your pick in the comments below.